What's up, guys? This is Bringing Best back, and we're at you could say a golf course pond, kinda. It's not really that, but that's what I'm gonna call it. And we're gonna try to be catching some fish for you guys. I only got a short bit of time, so I'm not really look to catch a lot, but one will be good for me, so let's get straight into the action. This might be a little tough fishing right here because all the weeds and stuff. This Whopper Plopper said weedless on the package, but it is definitely not weedless. Still my favorite topwater ever. Top 5 all-time baits, definitely. Usually, the way I retrieve this is just a slow, steady retrieve. I'll give it a few, not like that, I was crazy. A few rips every now and then. But other than that, it's just slow, steady retrieve. Also, it says no fishing, but the sign looks 30 years old. And my brother's seen some kids fishing here, and my buddies tell me they see people fishing here all the time, so I think we should be good. Y'all might be asking, why am I using a Whopper Plopper around so much of this weeds and stuff like that? It's just because we have a short amount of time here, and I just picked this out. We were rushed out of the house, so I just had to pick this. I brought a chatterbait with me, but my car, I should have put it in my pocket. It's in our car all the way up there, so don't want to do that. Definitely don't want to walk back up there. I think we should be able to catch one on the Whopper Plopper. Man, I want to fish my chatterbait right here so bad. Hey guys, comment. This came to my head. Comment down in the comment section what you would use right here. Uh-oh. No. Dang it. Thought that was a fish. What you would use right here. Look at that. I don't even look like a Whopper Plopper anymore. I also do a stop and go. Trying to figure out what they want today. Probably don't even want top water. Good Lord. Let me tell you guys a story. I was here a few weeks ago, and it was like 40 degrees to go outside, and I had a balloon colored Whopper Plopper, 130, and I cast it where I just cast it a while ago, and I thought I was going to get nothing at all, but I got a nice fat 1 pounder. It was a small fish, but the belly on that thing was huge for a 1 pounder. Just stunk that I wasn't recording, but it goes that way sometimes. I just cast right in front of a turtle, and it stayed there. I mean, I almost hit the turtle in the face with the Whopper Plopper. I would have laughed so hard if I would have hit a turtle. That would just be hilarious. I don't want to go all the way over here because I think that's where the old people play bingo, right over there. So I don't want to have like a 80-year-old woman coming after me. What are you doing fishing over here? The reason I use this thing so much is the first fish I caught on it, I was addicted. I mean, the Whopper Popper had me at hello. I mean, it was beautiful. And I've caught a fish on it every time I went fishing with it, except maybe for today if I don't catch one on it today and one other day. And I've went fishing with it for like 7 days. Not straight, but you know what I mean. Try to get over here. This looks juicy. I think I also said I know I said I'd give Patience Beach a shout out, Austin Fuller, Austin Beaumont. I think that's everybody who I said I'd give a shout out to. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing and following me. All that good stuff. There went fish. If you want shout outs, just tell me. I'll give anybody shout outs. Don't care. You've got to be kidding me. There's got to be something over here that wants this. Can't you hear all those people screaming for the little kids running around the bases? So glad I'm not one of them right now. I'd much rather be fishing. Now, when my little brother plays, I'm gonna have to go and cheer him on. Because he's my little brother. Gotta show some brotherly love. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, oh, that was like a fish. If you're enjoying this video so far, oh, it's super shallow over here. Hit the like and subscribe button. There, see my thumb? And share it, please, guys. This means a lot to me. Making my dreams come true, guys. I'm gonna try to break my personal best of a very small 4 pounds. And I say very small because I follow all these YouTubers and Instagrammers who catch, they're like PBs or 13 pounders and stuff like that. And my PB is a 4 pounder. Comment down what y'all's PBs are in the comments. I'd love to see what your PB is. All right, guys, we're about to wrap it up. May get one more cast in. Here come 2 weirdos. I don't know who they are. Timothy, I know that was you. No, I ain't caught Jack Diddley. Oh, there's Timothy and Justice. Look at them.
That's our YouTube fan.
I'm about to add in the video anyway, so y'all can be in it if y'all want. All right, we're ending the video, and Justice is gonna say subscribe and like. Say it, Justice.
Subscribe and like.
Yeah, there you go, buddy. All right, we'll see you next time on Bringing Bass Back.